Hello dear residents! Welcome back to our channel, Building Life, where we build and create for all our dear residents. In today's video, we will be revamping a 20 square meter condo unit and will be incorporating space-saving furniture and cabinets into the space. A couple will be occupying the condo unit, and it is our goal to make sure that we provide enough storage spaces for their possessions. Another challenge that we have to consider is the couple's height differences. One is a European and the other is of average Filipino height. So how do we design the spaces and its furniture so that it's comfortable for both users despite their height differences? You'll know if you stay tuned on this video. But before we start, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and hit the thumbs up on our video. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell for more updates on our channel. First and foremost, let's discuss the design brief of the project. The project is a 20 square meter studio type condo unit. As you enter the condo unit, on your left will be the bathroom, and on your right will be the kitchen. The remaining space of the condo unit will be the bedroom or the living room, with two large windows on its corners. We are going to remove the old cabinets. The existing cabinets are already worn out and they are made of particle boards. Again, as I have mentioned in my other videos, particle boards easily disintegrates and loses its strength once it gets wet. I highly recommend that you use marine plywoods for cabinets located in wet areas such as kitchens and bathrooms. You can use particle boards for cabinets that are not exposed to liquid and moisture such as wardrobes, bookshelves, entertainment consoles, etc. Particle boards are really cheap, so it can save you a lot of money, but it won't last as long as marine plywoods. So what we did to divide these two spaces so the living room can have a little privacy from the kitchen is we added a drywall, but provided 2-inch gaps on the top so natural lighting can still pass through the kitchen. For the kitchen, we provided an L-shaped kitchen counter and a bar, which will have a pull-out spice rack and a 180-degree cabinet steel rack to utilize the empty space that's been taken up by the fridge. Both kitchen counters will have a kickboard drawer that functions as a stand so the user can easily reach the oven and overhead cabinets above the kitchen counter. Furthermore, the kickboard drawer stand is also a storage space. The overhead kitchen cabinet features a plate rack right above the kitchen sink. So after washing, wet plates and utensils can drip directly on the kitchen sink, and when it's dry, it can then be stored on the pull-out steel plate racks provided on the kitchen counter. Now, let's discuss the bedroom. The bed frame's height will be a little higher than the standard height of bed frames in the Philippines to cater to the client's height. With the increased height of the bed frame, this gives us an opportunity to provide more storage spaces. Drawers will be allocated for this side of the bed, and on the other side will be a storage space for luggage and bags enclosed by hinged panel doors. On top of the bed frame will be overhead cabinets, and on its sides, wardrobes and a shoe rack cabinet. To finish off this side of the wall, we'll install a mirror to somehow make the place look a lot bigger, and lastly, 2 convenience outlets on this wall to charge phones and laptops. For the living room, there will be a sofa, TV, and a study table. The study table will have 2 drawers, one at the front and one at the side. The table can only allocate 1 small drawer at the top because the sofa will be taking up the space at the bottom. To utilize this space, we shall provide a drawer that opens to its side. Here you can store important documents, envelopes, paperworks, etc. The table also comes with a cable organizer box. The extension wire will be placed inside the box, and the box will have a hole on its side where the extension wire's plugs can pass through. We provided a cable grommet on its table where the plug can pass through. The box keeps the table neat and organized and hides all its cables.